Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we'll be talking about B tokens staking. Okay, so I've actually wanted to do this video for a very long time because you know that B token is one thing that wouldn't ever phase out. Okay, it is constant. It's a platform that's promised us 56 years withdrawal, so you really need to know everything about them, keep in touch with them and keep working with them, because of course they're worth working with. So today I'm going to be telling you how to stake your earnings in this platform. So obviously you don't need to eat them all right. Imagine 56 years and they're already giving you a space where you're going to be putting your next of kin in that platform. That's your profile section, putting in your next of kin, and make sure the profile is properly settled. So you need to stake. What do I mean by staking? In the word staking, it makes that you really need to put in, deposit a particular amount or BTT for yourself in order to save up. Okay, that's what I mean by staking. So in a banking section, staking is a kind of putting it in a fixed deposit. So that's actually what a layman understanding is about staking. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you one, the meaning of BToken staking. Another one, number two, what you have to note about BToken staking. Number three, what you earn from staking BToken. Now, the last one, that's number four, the practical section on how to stake. So, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Real Coach Bliss, and all I do on this platform is talk about money making tips and business updates. Okay, so you're going to be right sitting back to the end of this tutorial so that you actually know how to stake your bit token, because a lot of people doesn't know how to stake this bit token. They end up accumulating it, probably withdrawing it when it gets to 1000 BTC. But the best thing you could do to yourself, as long as this platform exists, and the feature I'm seeing in this platform is to go ahead and stake your BTT so that it's going to earn you more. All right, yeah. So like I rightly said, I'm going to be showing you meaning of BitToken staking, what you have to earn, what you have to note, and the practical section of staking your BTT. All right. If you've not joined any of our group, a WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'm rightly going to be dropping the link on the comment section, and I'm going to pin it on the description of this video. Go ahead, click and join, because you will definitely know all you want to know about this platform, from the KYC to the profile setting to accumulating your incomes every day, and of course everything about this platform, because we are really really involved in this platform. I don't joke with good projects like this. So join the group, you obviously know everything you want to know about this platform. Okay, all right, let's really proceed. I usually talk to my subscribers that in case you come across beautiful updates like this and you've not put in your strength and your words to know more about it, I think you're making a big mistake. The best thing you do to yourself, make sure you put in your strength to know more about any updates at all right, because obviously the effort I'm going to put in making my results very effective might be different from yours. So make sure you put in your very best in any update I personally drop here. Okay, now I'm gonna urge you, if you have any question by the end of this tutorial, make sure you're dropping it down on the comment section. I'll be right here to attend to you, and make sure you share this video, because a lot of people actually don't know how to stake on this platform. So make sure you do stake, you do share this video, so that the algorithm is going to take it right down to the people who doesn't know how to stake on this platform. Now, right, let's proceed. What is BToken staking? This is a process whereby BToken locks your BTT in their platform, therefore using it to help run their blockchain or liquidity. In return, they pay you rewards daily. Now, let me come again. It's a process whereby BToken locks your BTT in their platform, therefore using it to help run their blockchain or liquidity. In return, they pay you rewards daily. Okay, right? You rightly understand. They really, like, this is just obviously like what I rightly said while I started this tutorial, that it is like fixed deposits. All right, you claim it every day from BitToken platform. When you lock it, you claim it every day from and this is the reason you're going to be staying right at the end of this tutorial, because of course I'm going to do practical aspect of it. We are going to be locking our BTT. And another one I wanted to know is that the minimum you could have for a stake is 1 BTT. You can start from 1 BTT to stake. Okay, any amount, any month you want it to stake, I'm going to be showing you the months you could stake and how you will gain it. Okay, now another one, let's rightly proceed. Now, the second one is what you have to know, notes about BToken staking. BToken already have 21 million BTT to claim in their stake pool. Okay, and trust me, once it is exhausted, you might not be able to claim it again. So it is very important. Note this, it is very important to start staking now. This is where you earn a lot of BTT. When you stake, you have a lot, you have extra to pick, you have extra to claim. So there is no reason you shouldn't stake your BTT. All right, go ahead and stake your BTT because they have 21 million BTT. And as long as it is being exhausted, there is no BTT to be claimed again. So go over and start staking right now. Okay. Now, number two of what you need to know is by staking BTT. All right. Number one of what you earn by staking BTT is you earn more BTT. You earn more BTT by staking BToken tokens. That's you earn more BTT. Number two, you earn daily rewards, and number three, your staking bonuses, you earn staking bonuses, and number four, you earn a compounded earnings. So don't you think it's very important you go ahead and stake? Yeah, so that you have a lot of earnings to claim from this platform. So I encourage you to stake your BTT. All right. Now, let's quickly run over to the practical aspect of this BTT staking. Now, when you come down to your app, you go over to the place they call the wallet section. Then you're going to be seeing right here. Remember, this platform already upgraded their app. Probably the way you've seen it the last few months, since a month plus, it is now totally different. They have this background right now. So when you come over to the earning section, you come to the stake, you click it, you click the stake. Now you go ahead and scroll down a little bit. You see where they wrote stake now. Click on it. Okay, now they said enter BTT amount. Now I have 109 because I obviously withdrawn sometime last month, and of course everybody know that some of our earnings were claimed from the dashboard. So right now I have 109 because just like I started afresh. So I'm going to be staking the whole of the money I have. Now, mind you, it's not must you stake the whole of the money, the whole of the BTT you have on your dashboard. You can decide to stake 10. It's your choice. But right now, I'm just going to be staking the whole of the 109 BTT I have on my dashboard. I could just go ahead and click max all of them calls. Now, staking period. How long do you want this stake to stay? Would you want it to stay for 3 months? Would you want it to stay for 1 month? Would you want it to stay for 6 months? Would you want it to stay for 12 months? Will you want it to stay for 24 months? And mind you, the higher you add, the higher month you want it to stay, the higher your stake. The higher your income and your earnings, right? So I would rightly advise you to go ahead and make the right choice. I can't choose for you. You're going to make the right choice at this point for yourself. So right now I'm just going to be taking the 3 months interval. So this is what I have estimated reward of 10.98 BTT. That's what I'm going to be getting at the end of my 3 months taking. Okay, so and I'm really happy with that. So let me go ahead and click on the stake tokens. Let me go ahead and click on the stake tokens. Hold on. I'm gonna show you how to get over it at the end. You click the stake BTT token and look at what is bringing out. Confirm BTT staking. We are now going to confirm. Remember, it is 109 BTT for 3 months. Now I'm starting my calculation from today. right? I'm doing a live staking section, right? So I'm starting my calculation from today, being the 29th of this month. So you're going to know how when my 3 months is going to rightly expire. I think it's going to be by January or so. So what I'm going to be getting this platform. So go ahead and remember, I'm claiming every day the BTT you claim every day from this stake. So I'm just going to go ahead confirm my stake. Okay, staked successfully. All right, I am done with my staking. So this is all you have to do, know about staking on this platform. So I will advise you to go ahead and stake your BTT, because it's going to give you a lot of earnings. It's going to give you more. It's going to give you more. This platform has beautiful features ahead. So you staking your BTT is the best choice you would ever have, you will ever take. Imagine just 3 months, I'm having 10 BTT, and obviously it's going to give me a lot of money as of then. So please make your right choice. You can decide to stake for 1 month, you can decide to stake for 3 months, like I did, you can decide to stake for 12 months. Now, remember, the higher you stake, the higher your earnings. Yeah, the higher your earnings. So you're going to be deciding today if you will stake your BTT, because this is the obvious, it obviously is the best section of this platform, taking of your BTT. I enjoy taking my BTT a lot. All right, so if you find this video so helpful, do not hesitate to share this video and let people who doesn't know about staking get to know about staking, and they will venture into it. I love it so much. Disclaimer, this is basically for educational purposes and nothing more. Do make sure you go ahead and make proper research before you put in your money or your time. Okay, it is not a financial advice. So I love it so much, and make sure you are going to be subscribing on this channel. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Don't forget, my name remains Rick Coach Blaze. I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.